today I am going to make a laksa, which is a very favorite food of my family, and this is very famous in Singapore. So for this I need to make a gravy first, the curry. Okay, what we need to do, the first garlic, ginger, shallot, the small onions, and the spices we need a coriander powder, jeera powder, haldi, turmeric, and the chili powder, paprika. And then I make it into a coconut oil. And this one is a lemongrass paste. Actually we can use a lemongrass, but I have a paste. It's easier for me to make. And these are the red big chilies, which are not hot, but they give you a lot of color and flavor. And then we will need a coconut milk. I use this fresh coconut milk, and this is 500 grams. And these are the vegetables we need. So this one is a bean sprout, and bok choy, broccoli, and then this one is a puffed tofu. And the very important thing is that these are the laksa leaves. You can see it gives a flavor in the curry. And garnishing is a coconut, this one, coriander leaves. So these are the ingredients we need for the laksa. And this is the water. This is a 5 cup of water, and we will use the vegetable stock. So I will put 2 vegetable cubes, stock cubes, into a 5 cup of water to make a stock, vegetable stock. And this is the noodles. These are the rice noodles, and which is actually pre-boiled, so we will put it in the end. So let's start. Now we are going to make a paste. All these ingredients: garlic, onion, ginger, and then we put all these spices and this red chilies and lemongrass. Oil, and we are going to add. This is, we are frying until the oil will come out. It takes another 2-3 minutes. And I am going to steam the broccoli first. I'll put the broccoli in the steamer and cover it for a while. We are putting the bok choy in the steamer. Steam the bok choy and broccoli for another 1 or 2 minutes, and then it will be done. And here we'll fry some more until the oil will come out. So this bok choy is also steamed. We are putting the stock, the vegetable stock. Let it cook for 15 minutes. Stock itself has a salt, so we should not put any more salt. We have to taste it. And after that we will add some more lemongrass and coconut milk. So we are going to put a 500 grams of coconut milk in this gravy. So this bean sprout, I put it in the hot water just for the blanching, and my vegetables are all steamed, and this one is getting boiled, so I have to cook it another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes then I will put the coconut milk, lemon and sugar. cooked nicely 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Now we are putting the coconut milk. We are putting the 500 grams of 5 ml of coconut milk. And cook nicely. And we are going to put some sugar and lemon. And we'll taste if the salt is less, then we can add some salt as well. You can use the small lime also, but I have this yellow. Now we are adding sugar. Adding one and we will adjust the salt accordingly according to our taste. We'll cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes again until we see the gravy is all done. After that is not a much work to left because everything is done. So after that is just how to make the bowl ready for eating. The noodles, but Balina enough for me. Okay. And then we are putting the tofu. And it's up to you how much you are putting. So the vegetable tofu is all up to you how much you are going to put. And the noodle quantity also. Enough. Then this is the laksa leaves and coriander leaf. Now add the laksa sauce, the gravy what we have made just now. So this thickness also according to your taste, because like Balina likes thick ones, so she wanted to put some more coconut cream, but for me this much is enough. So the small things you can change according to your liking. So now time to taste it. So now the laksa is ready to try. So now this one is ready to eat.